Okay.
Sir, it
Oh,
is visible,
nice
sir.
plot. Yeah, nice plot. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So face and everything is showing. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So is it offset one or can you show me? Can you press 5 on this? Press 5 in the keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Press 5 5.
Yes, sir. I press it.
Okay. Is it pointing towards some other direction, right? It's
Yes,
not
sir.
both.
Yes, sir. That direction.
No. I'm asking. Is it a broadside one or just offset one?
A broadside one, sir. Not main.
Oh, this face you are seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever face it is it's giving, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Vertical face. Okay. So now you want to see the fields, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you
Uh,
go to the far field cuts? Can you go to the far field cuts on the
yes,
left? On the left, yeah.
yes, sir.
Mm, no. No. This will not work. This will not work. Okay. Okay. So can you go to far field broadband? No. This frequency only. Can you go to that? Gain instead of gain IEEE. Can you select E field or E pattern? It's fine. E field is fine. Yeah, E field is fine. E field is fine.
Okay,
E
sir.
field is fine. Okay. So
Okay.
now,
Caps lock ಈ ತರ atomic capital
okay. So now can you go to cut angle is 90 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh. 2D. Can you go to 2D? Can you select 2D, 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 plate, 2D plot? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Not this one.
Yes. What I want is suffer. So this is propagating in Z direction, sir.
Okay.
In Z direction, I want to place a plane.
Okay.
How the field is varying, that phase, like this.
Okay. You mean to say, okay. 2D in 2D. Can you select the other one? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay. So what I want to do is, I think go to E field. Okay, no, 2D results are there, right? E
Yes,
field,
sir.
E field, E field. Can
Yes,
you go
sir.
to no, yeah, E
Uh,
field. There you can
yes,
go. E field,
yes,
E field.
yes, sir.
Okay.
అమ్మా అది అమ్మా హెడ్సెట్ అప్పుడు ఉండాలి హెడ్సెట్ గేల
Okay. So now this is the one, right? So
Yes,
now,
sir.
yeah. Okay. So here, here. Okay. Now, can you go to arrows are there, right? Can you
Yes,
select
sir.
arrow instead of arrows? Can you select a different thing? Not this. Okay. So or else you can select DB scale. DB scale.
No. Yes.
Close this. Yeah. Okay. Smart scaling will be there somewhere.
Sir.
Can you check smart scaling? Smart scaling. Yeah. Here somewhere it will
Yes.
be there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Smart scaling. Yes. Can you click on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, there will be some more instantaneous. Now you want to see. Actually, your antenna is in radiation is in a Z plane, right? So
Yes, sir.
now you have to see the cut, right? So can you
Yes,
go
sir.
to fields on the plane? Fields on the plane. Yeah. You can select a cross section. Activate all cross section.
Yes,
So
sir.
whichever you want, you can keep and then you can remove other. Now, I'm on the phone. The one. That's the one.
Actually, it shows only magnitude, sir.
No. It will show the field distribution. I think you have to properties. Go to properties. Yes. Here actually, you have to change the ABS. Is there absolute value?
That type of words are not.
No. You are putting only real, right?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
go to ABS? ABS is the ABS is there. ABS fields like that.
In this only, sir, electric field, sir.
Oh no, not that actually. See it's see instead of arrow, if you change the color and other things, right? So can you click auto on the this on the top, just top.
Yes, sir.
Nothing is happening, right? Can you animate the field? Okay. So now you turn the okay. You have activated all the cross section, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to say unselect one by one. No. Unselect one by one. No. Here. Yeah. There. Yeah. Unselect one by one. No. Not this one. Not
Yes,
this
sir.
one.
Yes, sir. Cross section D, I think.
I think no. Not that. Okay. Cross section B.
Yes, sir.
I think so. Not this. Cross section C. I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can remove others.
Yes, sir.
You can remove others.
Yes, sir. Cross
That's it.
sections. Yes, sir.
So here actually now you can select the disturb position also. Can you see that position? It is showing us the 338.
Yes, sir.
Can you see Z direction 338? You are setting the position.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So cutting plane. Can you go to cutting plane? Cutting plane properties. Oh. Okay. Okay. Here you can change the position and which normal which direction, X or Y or Z. Normal is
Yes.
in X or Y. Is that only right? Normal.
Yes, sir. Z. Yes, sir. Normal to Z.
Okay. Close that one. Okay, close that one, and you can just show cutting plane. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now, yeah. Actually, now you have to change this color pattern. That's it. So, otherwise, you got the results now. Okay. Now
Okay.
you have to change the color pattern, fire or something like that. Okay. Then you will get it. Okay. Yes.
How to change?
Close it.
Actually,
No,
yes, sir.
it's showing arrow. That's why you could not able to distinguish anything. Okay.
Okay.
And real part is there. Absolute value, RMS value, nothing is coming. Huh? Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Arrow. See, arrow is are there, right? Arrows.
Yeah.
No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
no, not that. Okay. No. There is a one.
Yes,
All
sir. Arrows.
transparent. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. ISO lines. Can you contour?
Okay.
Okay. Yes. This is the one. Okay. Rotate this. Show me the front face. Show me the five. Press 5 in your keyboard. Press 5 in your keyboard.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. Now you run the animation. Okay. Now you remove the DB. Enter the DB. In the DB itself, I think average or RMS,
Yes, sir.
real or face or whatever maybe you can put.
Phase is not
Not available.
available.
No, it's not that. Real value or instantaneous value.
Sir.
Okay. So now animate the field. So we'll see whenever you get the result, then you remove all transparents. Okay. So now smart scaling. I think Okay. Maximum you have how much you have put? 12,000, right? You reduce it.
Okay.
300 something you can put. Can you see now?
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Even reduce it now. Even reduce 400 or something like that. 200 or something like that. Okay. So when you start first time, no, then you can find out all these things. Okay. It will
Okay.
automatically show you. Okay. Enter. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
whichever position you want, you can see it. That's it.
Okay.
Is it rotating? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is like coming and how
Okay. Now
face
what you can do is no. Face is there, right? You click on face. That's it.
face plot is not available.
For the selected component. Okay. That I think you can take it from far field.
Yes, sir. Actually, how to take it, sir? Same thing.
Uh, the, okay. Can you go to E field again? E field again. Mm, okay. So can you go to far field properties? Okay. E field, 3 field. Okay. 2D. Can you go to 2D? No, not this. Not this. Next one.
Oh, okay. Auto projection.
This is the face.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vertical face you have given, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
position we have to see, right? Okay. This is just about the position. That's it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the one you are getting
Yes.
face distribution.
Yes, sir. Actually, I want to change here. It is they are giving normalized U and V value, sir. Some
Okay.
macro function is also there. The condition for U and V, U square plus V square equals to 1. They are giving above.
No. See, this U and V is nothing but your. Uh, have you heard of this? Transformation,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Transformation.
Theta, spherical to rectangular transformation. Can
Yes, sir.
you
Yes, sir.
remember?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
U means sin theta cos phi actually. Okay,
Okay.
actually it is in actually R sin theta cos phi. V means
Okay.
R sin theta sin phi. So if
Okay.
you then you do the calculation, right? That time you will get this all this. Okay, this is like
Oh,
transformation, spherical to rectangular coordinate
oh,
systems. Okay,
okay.
transformation.
Okay.
That's what
Okay.
it is showing now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So U and V. U is nothing but inbuilt. What is there? It is actually sin
Okay.
theta cos phi.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, actually no, it is like a projection, right? So your
Okay.
sphere is there. If it is projecting in one area, if you want to take that cut, you have to take it in
Okay.
UV plane. UV plane. Actually.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So it
Uh,
is like for example, your antenna is radiating. For example, okay,
yes,
certain
sir.
antenna is radiating. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
creating a spot beam at the earth, right? That
Yes, sir.
for example, it can be conical or circular or whatever it may be. That circular, how do you
Okay.
plot using this UV
Oh,
plane only? Okay,
okay,
that's
sir.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Uh, then face. That is the only thing I still have.
No, there
Face.
you got face only, right?
Yes,
Vertical
sir.
face. Vertical face. Can you
Yes,
go to
sir.
far field? Far field? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Here it is vertical face, sir. But I want to see in 2D pattern.
That's what the 2D pattern, right? 2D plot is the 2D pattern, right?
Yes, sir. We don't know it is in particular Z location. Suppose I want to.
No. I don't think it is. See, it is not Z location. See, it is in one cut. Okay, far field
Yes.
only it is taking this one.
Yes, sir.
See, it is like one cut, one slice. It is taking. Okay. If you want to set the property, can you go to properties?
2D or 3D, sir?
Yeah, far field properties only. Yes.
Okay.
Here, I think you can set the location as well.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Axis or yes, sir. Like.
Axis, yeah. Z is in 500.
Yes,
No,
sir.
Z is in 500.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. I said.
yes, Z is in 500. You can change this one. That's it. Okay. And also
Uh,
axis. Can you go to axis? Here they actually, yeah, potential vector is 1. Okay, main rope alignment. Okay, this is okay.
I will
Okay,
show the
500.
one paper, sir.
Yeah.
actually taken one. Yes, sir. In these papers, they are not showing this type of diagrams. Actually, in some papers, what they are saying, sir, in x direction some mm, y direction some mm, sir, like that.
No. Okay. I can
Like,
understand that. See. It is, x direction mm means it's a refractory mm. That's it. Okay.
okay.
That's it. That orthogonal division. That aperture is there, right? The
Yes,
aperture
sir.
dimension only. Aperture
Yes,
dimension only.
yes, sir.
Okay. So can you show
Okay.
me now?
Yes, sir. I will. Sir, if I
Can you zoom it and show me so that I can see?
yes. If suppose yes, sir. See. Here the simulate electric field magnitude distribution, phase distribution and sampling plane z equals
Mm.
to
Mm-hmm.
perpendicular to the beam axis. Like that. One second, sir. I will open the remaining papers. Some papers. Yes, sir. So these are the phases simulated X phase.
Yes.
They are representing that. Hello.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah, can you show me, zoom it and show me, please? Because I cannot see that one.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. This one, see, plus 60, minus 60, why they have given? Is it 120 by 120 centimeter meta surface?
Yes, sir. No,
That's
sir.
it. No.
Here they are representing like this diagram.
Degree or what?
It is mm, sir. It is
Mm.
usually
Is
mm,
it
sir.
120 120 centimeter or 120 refractory? Can you see? Or
100
why?
mm. No, one second. Maybe a. No, 48, 48, sir. 48 by 48, sir.
48 by 48 centimeter.
Millimeter, sir.
Okay.
But
Can you go to that plot again? Hello?
yes, sir.
Can you go, can you zoom it
Oh.
and so?
Okay, sir.
48 mm. OAM J1 from M1 meta surface without lens. Is it at some distance they are taking this one?
Yes, sir. Z direction, they are taking some 100 direction.
Then it's fine. Okay. The projection will vary, right? See, then it's fine. Okay. See, the antenna dimension is there. It will
Yes,
have some beam width, right? So when you
Yes,
are
sir.
projecting in 100 mm or 200 mm or 300 mm, then what happens is you will get the broader beam, right? So
Okay.
that time, this dimension will vary. And the thing is, here they have given us the x, y, mm, right?
Yes,
This is,
sir.
it is like that the area where which they are capturing this face and all. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is same thing you are capturing there also. It is UV. That's it. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
UV, what you have to do is this. It is actually typically it's a complex one because for example your pattern actually it is typically a complex one because you are plotting there in UV, right?
Yes, sir.
It will
Yes,
be
sir.
maximum value is 1. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to check which this value for example this r theta value you are getting that 1. Okay, I mean so that's UV coordinates. Can you go back to the plot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you change the distance. That's it. Okay. So whatever you are getting is correct. That's it.
Okay. The same pattern here, here also. Then,
Yes. See,
sir, how?
actually, yeah, or else, can you go to powerful properties? No. I'm asking about powerful properties.
Yes,
The
sir.
same plot, but powerful properties. I can see whether you can mention in that change the coordinate system. Can you change the coordinate system to Ludwig 3 to? Can you change on the spherical? Yeah, apply. Okay. And why is still showing UV? Linear instead of linear, can you change absolute value? Oh, okay. No. This is not changing. No. It is only plotting in this value.
Yes, sir. You only.
UV only.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay. Actually, no. Ludwig 3 is not required if you are measuring for this one. Cross polarization, then it's fine. Okay. You can apply also. And plot mode. Can you go to plot mode? Oh, reference distance is 1
1 minute.
meter.
Yes.
You can change that and see. Okay. So for 200 meter or what? It is changing, right? So no, which mm? 100 mm, right? No. 1 meter they are checking reference distance. Okay. So no. Can you change it to 0.1, 0.2 mm? 0.2. Yeah. Okay. It is same, almost same, right? Because
Yes, sir.
it is offering same phase, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can you go to view? Not this. Okay. Origin. Yeah. Here, origin of the far field. Okay. Origin of the far field. No. I think origin of the far field is you are giving us 500 mm. Can you change it to 200 mm? I don't think it will vary.
Yes, sir. I already changed number of times, sir.
No.
200, 300,
Actually,
400.
It is only showing origin, right?
Yes,
Or
sir.
you can mention it as for example, origin of the coordinate systems.
Yes.
Because the same face only will be offered, right? So
Yes,
can
sir.
you change it to origin of the coordinate system? But it will be having some ground plane effect, I think. Okay, still it's not changing, right? Okay, fine. So decoupling plane, can you go to decoupling plane?
Yes, sir. Sir, what is this decoupling plane, sir? Actually,
See, according to me, there will be, I think, there will be de-embedding is there, but I'm heard of, I heard of a de-embedding. De-embedding
okay.
means your port is already, for example, if you want to measure S1 to S1, right? Your
Okay.
port may be there and somewhere else. Okay, unit cell simulation, you might have seen that lambda by 4 distance, this port will be there. Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
when you want to measure the S11, where you will measure? You will measure just above the unit cell surface. Okay, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that is called as de-embedding. So you are moving the plane to that plane and the things. Okay, but I think similarly
Okay.
decoupling plane you can apply and see. So, but I am not
Okay.
sure what is
Okay.
this exactly. Okay,
Yes, sir.
can you go to is that can you go to can you put 200 mm? But you can just search in help menu. What is this decoupling plane?
Okay,
Then
sir.
you will come to know. Okay, and you can try out in the face like I think general parameters somewhere. I think some settings should be there. Okay, and
Okay.
also you can search in help menu. Help menu.
Ah,
On the top. Yeah. What is decoupling plane like that? You can search it. You can get the information. I think.
yes, sir. But actually, that phase in a x and y coordinates like I am not getting, sir. Even I searched 4 days onwards. I am not only the CST in Google, everything I searched, but I am not getting, sir, that option.
Okay. Okay. You meant to say that like for example, is that whatever you are seeing in that distance. So how
Yes,
do
sir.
you get that, right?
Yes,
That's your question.
yes, sir.
Actually, it is showing in UV, but we have to see where we can change this coordinate system. But I'm not sure where we can plot mode or view somewhere. We can change it, but actually that 60 plus 60 minus 60, right? Is it reference to that position or it is general wherever you irrespective of measure that 60 plus minus 60?
No, no, sir. I see some more papers also. They're
Okay.
considering one area, surface, that surface, and they are
Okay.
saying that in Z plane, Z is some distance. I am considering that area and passing through
Okay.
the far field pattern. They are observing
Hmm.
phase.
Okay.
And I tried post processing phases and arbitrary coordinates, phases and phases. Also, I tried that, sir. But they are
Okay.
not giving these results, sir. They're just giving like in particular point what is the maximum minimum value or phase value, but they are not
Mhm.
showing like this type of graph, sir.
Okay. Yeah. That will be 1D plot only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus plot mode is there. Uh, okay. So one thing we can try, like
Sure.
can you close this? Okay. Can you go to home macros?
Yes, sir. Far field results.
No. Yeah. 2D, 3D results. Draw a grid on 2D plot and yeah, plot max fields. Oh no. I don't know what.
Whenever I am selecting this one, sir, result 2D, 3D, draw grid on 2D plane. Here it is showing that u square plus v square equals to 1, that formula, sir.
Oh.
And I tried far field also.
Mhm.
Plot 3D file on UV plane.
Okay. Solver, can you go to solver? Mm. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So can you select monitor and probes like that?
Yes, monitors and probes.
Oh, it is showing that edit macro.
Yes, sir. Edit macro.
No, no, can you go? No, no, can you go to that? No, the solver, ports, or monitor and probes. Monitor and probes. Left, broadband field monitor, current wires. Oh, sorry, not this. Okay. Uh, we are running ports. Okay. So can you select parameters? Okay, and materials not there. Okay. Report and graphics. Oh, this is no. Sorry, sorry. Results. Um, Plot 3D far field in UV plane. It is there, but that's what we are getting, right?
Yes, sir. Here, that is maximum formula is U square plus V square equals to 1.
Yeah. That's okay. Okay. Can you click on OK? Hmm. This is what we are plotting now. Okay. So click OK. Click OK. Let's see what it plots.
Uh,
Oh no, that is zoomed version.
yes, yes, sir.
The
Just
previous
they are
plot it
giving.
is showing only zoomed version. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. The same plot only it is plotting, right?
Yes,
So
sir. I want
it
to
does
change
not.
those values, but it is not possible more than one.
Okay. So I think. So can you please write to these guys actually CST guys, so they should be able to. I think I don't think I don't know, I may be wrong also. So I don't think the CST will have that kind of plus 60 minus. I think it is based on the calculation he would have put.
Okay.
Okay, some distance he captured that phase, and then
Yes, sir.
based on calculation plus minus 60 he could have put. Okay, based on the
Okay.
transformation. Okay,
Oh, okay.
I don't think he might have put he might have taken the plot from the CST and then just put it. Okay, he might have
Yeah,
taken the plot, but that distance and all he might have used some calculation and put. Okay,
yeah,
or yeah,
yes, sir. I am also assumed he suppose he taking this plot and uploaded in MATLAB and writing some codes to extract that data.
yes, exactly. That's what I believe to be
Yes,
happened. Could
maybe
have
I am
happened.
assuming that thing, sir.
Yeah, exactly. That is what I know. See, the thing is, what he could have done is, that distance, right? Actually, you are saying you plus UV, UV coordinates, right? You are seeing
Yes, sir.
UV coordinates, but
Yes,
he
sir.
mentioned that rectangular coordinates. So
Yes.
it's also UV coordinates only. So in terms of distance, he is mentioning. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
difference between both are same only. But the thing is. The UV is a kind of a normalized coordinate system, okay, normalized one. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
because our maximum value is one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
UV square plus V square equal to, it's a kind of actually we can say don't remember, actually that coordinate exact word is there. Okay, I don't remember now. So that's why it might be a calculated value. Okay, but whatever you
Okay,
are
sir.
getting, you just align the plot only. Now don't forget about that. Whatever you are seeing, right? For
Okay,
example,
sir.
plus 60 minus 60. Forget about that. Only just align the plots. Okay,
Okay,
whether
sir.
you are
Okay.
getting exactly or not. That's it.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, sir.
that's
Okay,
what I
sir.
can say. Yeah,
Oh, okay, sir.
yeah.
Uh, And I want to share one more information, sir. Actually, we faced some problems on horn antenna, sir.
Okay.
So I designed by taking the standard formulas and all those things. I designed so many horn antennas, but I
Okay.
am not getting result accuracy, sir.
Okay.
So what I do is I download the Antenna Megas software,
Okay. Okay.
which is provided by CST, and
Okay.
within fraction of seconds, it is giving the exact horn antenna, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. It's a,
Uh,
see, the thing is, in Balanda's book, there is a design formula available. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. If you want 9 dB gain, then what
Yes,
should be the aperture size? Okay.
yes,
That
yes, sir.
is preloaded in this antenna magus. It
Yes,
could
sir.
be. I don't know.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So that will run the iteration. Okay. When the
Yes, sir.
gain required gain is this much, so then gain formula is there in terms of A and B. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So what it will does is, I want this much gain and to its bandwidth. Then what should be the A and B value? Then it will iteratively take it and then finally solve it. Okay,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So which how many dB you have designed?
Actually, for this antenna, 10 dB, sir.
10 dB. Okay, 10
Yes, sir.
dB is that feed taper is around 10 minus 10 dB taper. Is you are achieving or you are able to achieve or what?
Actually, I calculated that form. Just I calculated the angle of incidence,
Okay.
and I 3 dB bandwidth. How it is will be.
No, no,
Uh,
no. 10 dB band beam.
yes, sir.
10
Sorry.
dB beam. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 10 dB bandwidth. How it is covers on that.
Beam with that minus 10 dB beam width. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So both are matching, right? Almost.
Uh,
Almost.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Fine. Okay. That's good actually. Thank you. Okay. So what is the silo level now?
Below 10 dB, sir. Actually, that is minus 9, minus 8. I'm getting, sir.
Okay. I
Previously,
think
I
only
calculated.
one silo. I think I can see that it is high. Otherwise, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Okay. Can you plot 1D polar plot? Let us see. What.
But still, I have doubts on feeding location, sir.
Feeding location.
Yes, sir.
What feeding?
Where I want to place that horn antenna.
Okay. Okay. It's not that clean actually. Can you change it to gain pattern? Gain. Realized gain. Realized gain. Mm. Or can you plot rectangular plot? I think infinity value it is coming. That's why it is showing like this. Okay. Can you right click it? Plot properties. Okay. So can you remove the auto range? No, for no x-axis. No, y-axis. You put minus 30 there. No, not this. No, top. Minimum.
Okay, sir.
Minimum minus 30. Apply. Okay. Now click OK. Go to far field properties. Okay. Can you go to plot mode? Not the plot mode. I think it's general. I think general. Here bottom. Plot range for polar angle 360 degree. Can you click on that? No. Below option. Yeah.
Sir,
Plot range. Yeah, that one only.
it is not highlighted.
No. Plot range for polar angles in 360 degree like that one. Tick box is there, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, I click on that. Again, bottom one. You click it.
Okay.
Click apply. Okay. This is what you are getting now. Okay.
Okay.
So you can normalize it to. Sorry.
How to reduce this lobe, sir? Is there any condition?
No. I think your main lobe itself very low. Okay. Can you normalize it? I click. No. That's why I think it's a 3 dB only. You are getting side lobe, but it's very high side lobe.
Okay,
Can you go to far field properties? You are getting beam. Started getting beam. That's all. Okay. You have to optimize the feed location. Can you go to plot mode?
Plot mode. Okay.
Use current max. Apply. Yes. Click OK. Okay, it's 5 dB side lobe level you are getting. Okay, this is
Okay.
normalized pattern. Okay, but
Okay.
no. I think you have to optimize the location. Then you can try out that. I think still you are not achieving that actual phase required.
Okay,
That's why
sir.
lobes are very
Hi.
yes.
How to optimize, sir?
Feed location only. So
Okay.
that is one thing. Otherwise you
Okay.
have to check the design and everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. That's fine. Okay, sir. I will change the feed
Yeah.
location. Okay, sir. So thank you so much. Sir, based on this diagram, that can I improve or decrease the feed location, sir?
Yeah. That's based on that. I may not be able to tell that.
Okay.
So so I don't know because this design is somewhat not similar. So that's why I would like to say that you can just optimize the thing and then see. Okay, I
Okay,
think
sir.
you see it's like you're starting, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can once you so when you increase what is happening, when you decrease
Okay.
what's happening, that those
o-
things I think you have to check, and by the time you reach there, then you should be able to identify, okay, what is happening
Okay.
exactly. So what is
Okay.
happening to feed tapper and other things, so you can
O-
just go through it and then see. Okay, so
Okay, sir. Okay.
that will give you, it should be based on experience, not that you will get immediately. So that's why
Okay.
I'm saying, so it's like a based on experience, that's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so
So
much.
that's why. So I don't, because I cannot comment on this, because the problem is I did not work on that. So that's why
Okay.
I hesitate to comment on this. So that's why if you just do that, should be able to but it will take some time. I think that 2 3 days it will take, and then to understand what is happening there and all that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then you should be able to get that information first.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Uh,
sir.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so
No
much, sir.
problem. No problem. No problem. Welcome. Welcome. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I will share the recording on tomorrow, sir.
No problem. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you.
Yeah.